Executing building work according to drawings involves several steps. In the pre-construction phase, there is a review and approval of drawings, site survey, material procurement, and labor mobilization. During the construction phase, earthwork, foundation laying, superstructure construction, and installation of systems and finishing work take place. Quality control measures include site inspections, dimensional checks, material testing, and compliance with codes. Execution steps involve layout, concrete work, masonry, roofing, and installation of fixtures. Key documents include architectural, structural, electrical, and plumbing drawings, BOQ, and construction schedule. Roles and responsibilities include the architect, structural engineer, and contractors.